Hello guys, this is Chirudeep once again and you're watching Coach Java tutorial series. In this tutorial we're gonna learn about how to implement multiple inheritance or that sort of things with the help of interface in Java. Now in this program I have given one interface sorry, I have given one interface that is A, and I have declared one method that is test1, and in another interface B I have declared another method that is test2. Now look into this section particularly. I am implementing A and B simultaneously in class C. So this can be done with the help of interface. So no matter how many interface you have declared, you can implement all those methods, or sorry, all those in interfaces in your class. This can be 1, 2 and n number of interface you can implement in your class. So now I am going to implement two of the interface A and B in my class C. Now in my class C I have overwritten the method test1 and overwritten the method test2, and in my class manager I have just called those methods c.test1, c.test2, and if we run this program you will get output like this, test1 and test2. Pretty simple. Now moving forward to the next program, here I have just created one interface D and E, and in D interface I have declared one method that is test1 and another method test2 in interface E, and also I have just created one class, abstract class, that is F, and which is having one abstract void method test3. Now class G extends F. Okay, this is the mixture of abstract class as well as implementing multiple interfaces in your class. So this is a very good example of mixing those abstract classes and interfaces. So class G extends F, which means that I'm going to extend the class F, and also I'm going to implement in the interfaces D and E. So test3 will be overridden over here of the class F, and test1 will be overridden over here, and as well as test2. So I am creating one object of class G, and g1.test1, g1.test2 and g1.test3. So if you run this program you will get output test1, test2 and test3 like this. So it's also very simple, and we are creating multiple inheritance as well as we are extending our class. Now moving to the last program of this tutorial, here you can see that I have defined one interface K that is having one test1 method and another is test2 in interface L, and also another interface M which is having test3 method. So I am extending those interfaces in my interface N. Okay, if one interface is if you want to just use the methods, or if you want to just extend the interfaces, then you have to write extends keyword in your interface. So from interface N I am extending KLM interfaces, and I am implementing N interface with the help of implements keyword in my class O, and in my class O I am just overriding the method test1, test2 and test3, and in my manager class I am just creating the object of class O, and I am just calling test1, test2 and test3 method. So if you run this program you will get output like this, test1, test2 and test3. So I hope you have understood how to implement multiple inheritance as well as extending your class, and we can just mix all those abstract classes and interface in your class also. So I hope you have understood, and in this next tutorial we're gonna learn more about these things, and also we will move towards package, which is also a very important thing in Java. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.